How to set up scenes in OBS Studio. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can set up scenes in OBS Studio, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to set up scenes in OBS Studio, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch OBS Studio here. Now under this, if you look at the bottom left, you can see scenes. So here if you click the plus icon, you can add another scene over here by just clicking on this option. Now here you can say scene 1 and scene 2. Now as for scene 1, we've added a source. As for scene 2, if you want to set up multiple scenes, you have to add another source here by clicking the plus icon, and here you can see image source, game capture, display capture. What is it that you want to capture? If you want to capture window, you can select window capture, click on OK, and then just click on OK, and then you'll be able to add another sources as well. And this way you can set up scenes in OBS. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.